welcome to JSM. In the previous lecture, we have discussed what is a scientific notation, how important it is, and how to write any number in the scientific notation in simple manner. Okay, so now in this lecture, we are going to discuss four fundamental mathematical operations, that is multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, and how to do in simple way and how to write final answer in the scientific notation, that we are going to discuss in this lecture. This is also very useful for all the problems in which calculations are involved, that may be physics, chemistry, or mathematics. Okay, so right now, first of all, let us see multiplication. So here we have an example of 5.6 into 10 power 5 is multiplied by 6.9 into 10 power 8. Okay, so we have to multiply these two numbers right now. First of all, here, see, look at these two. Okay, so write down these two numbers here as 5.6 into 6.9. Okay, 5.6 into 6.9. Next, here, see, here we have 10 power 5 and here we have 10 power 8. Okay, so simply I am writing here for understanding purpose. So if we write these two together, see here bases are equal, so we can add the exponents, right? When bases are same, we can add the exponent. So here we can write 10 power 5 plus 8. Okay, 10 power 5 plus 8. Okay, clear? First of all, we are writing these two numbers here together, and then we are writing these two here. So bases are same, so that's why we are adding the exponents. Okay, so now here if we multiply these two, we get 38.64 into 10 power 5 plus 8, 13. Okay, see, but look at this one. This answer, this is not in the scientific notation. Yes or no? According to scientific notation, we must have only one non-zero digit to the left side of the decimal position. So only one non-zero digit. So that's why here we have to shift this decimal point one position to the left side. So the answer in scientific notation will be 3.864 into 10 power 14. See here decimal is shifted one position to the left side. So that's why here power increases by 1 unit. Okay, so that's why what is the final answer here in the scientific notation? 3.864 into 10 power 14. Sir, no. Okay, so see, only one non-zero digit is left side to the decimal point. Okay, right. Next, look at these two. Same here also. First of all, write these two numbers together like this: 3 into 4 into, so 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, so 10 power minus 3 plus minus 4. Okay, so plus into minus, here we get the minus. So here 3 into 4, how much? 12 into 10 power minus 7. So no, minus 3 minus 4, plus into minus minus, so 10 power minus 7. Again, this is not in the scientific notation, right? So if you write it in the scientific notation, 1.2 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, so here this is the answer which is in the scientific notation, 1.2 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, so this is about the multiplication. Okay, right. Next, look at the division. See here also same thing. First what we have to do is that write these two like this: 2.7 by 5.5 into 10 power minus 3. See here, if you take this one into the numerator, that becomes a 10 power minus 4. So in the denominator it is a 10 power 4. If it comes into the numerator, that becomes a 10 power minus 4. That I will write here into 10 power minus 4. Okay, now here if you divide these two, okay, 2.7 is divided by 5.5. So here we get 0.4909 into, see, 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 4. So bases are equal, again we are adding the exponents. So that is 10 power minus 7. See again here, see, we must have non-zero digit to the left side of the decimal point. Here we have 0. So that's why we must shift this one to the right side. Okay, decimal point one position to the right side. So here the answer will be 4.909 into, see here, this decimal point, it is shifted to the right side, so that's why it one position, right? So its value decreases by 1 unit. So that's why here the answer is 4.909 into 10 power minus 8 in the scientific notation. Okay, next here, so this one, how can we write? 2.4 by 2 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, if it goes to the numerator, that becomes 10 power minus 3. So 2.4 by 2, that is 1.2 into, so 10 power 6 minus 3. How much? 10 power 3. So here this answer is already we got in the scientific notation. Okay, see here, sometimes we get answer directly in the scientific notation, but many cases we won't get answer in the scientific notation, right? See here, we got this one 38.64, we converted it into scientific notation. Same here also, but here we got answer in the scientific notation directly, like that. Okay, sometimes we get, sometimes we may not get. In that case, we must write a final answer in the scientific notation. Clear? Next, addition and subtraction. See here, one important thing you should remember is that in the multiplication and division, whatever the exponent, okay, so 10 power 5, 8, whatever it may be, simply bases are equal, we are adding the exponents. But here in the addition and subtraction, okay, addition and subtraction, we must make both the exponents equal. Okay, then only we can add. Clear? Remember this point. I will explain here with example, then you can understand very easily. See here we have this one. Okay, write this 6.65 into 10 power 4 plus. So what I am saying is that in both the cases, here and here, two numbers were given to add them. Yes or no? So here we have 10 power 4, here we have 10 power 3. So either make here 10 power 3, then both our exponents are same, or then make the power here 10 power 4, in that case also exponents are same. Okay, so here what I am doing is that, so I am writing this one as 0.895 into 10 power 4. Okay, 0.895 into 10 power 4. See, decimal is shifted one position to the left side. So that's why here this exponent is increased by 1 unit. Clear? Understood here? Okay, what we have to do is that we must make the both exponents equal. Okay, so keep one as it is and change another one. Make it equal to the exponent in the other number. Right? Now, see here. Now, if you consider these two numbers, 10 power 4 is common. Okay, so take it out. 10 power 4 is common in both the numbers. Now, remaining numbers right here, 6.65 plus 0.895. Okay, what we did here, very simple, take this out because both these are common in the two numbers which were given to add. Okay, so now, so here we get 7.545 into 10 power 4. So this is already present in the scientific notation. We got the final answer after adding these two. So no need to do any change here. Clear? Next, subtraction. Same here also, how we did in the addition, here also we should okay, make to both the exponents same in given numbers. Okay, see here, this I will write here 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 minus, so this one, okay, I am writing this as 0.48 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, so I have shifted this decimal point, see here, to the left side, so that's why exponent increases by 1 unit, minus 3 to minus 2. Now here, see here, 10 power minus 2 is common, right? So take it out, 10 power minus 2. So 2.5 minus 0.48 into 10 power minus 2. So here we get 2.5 minus 0.48, 2.02 into 10 power minus 2. So this is also already in the scientific notation. So that's why no need to do any change here. Okay, clear? So in this way, we can do multiplication, division, addition and subtraction in simple way, and we must express the final answer in the scientific notation. Okay, in many cases, see, we are getting answer in the not in the scientific notation. In that case, we have to change into the scientific notation. Okay, clear? Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel to support us.